Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zebroon. Zebroon company is focusing on educating young Ghanaians on how to use software to fix mobile phone. Technology is emerging, so there is a need for us to educate so many people, as many as possible, especially those of you who are into the mobile phone repair ecosystem. It is about time we push the limit to utilize the softwares that we have to fix mobile phone and also do away from the local repair. We need to upgrade ourselves. So we are embarking on nationwide workshop. It is free workshop nationwide. So what we want you to do is people in your community or in your local area, create a group and get as many as possible people who are interested to learn mobile phone unlocking, using software to flash phone repair and all that. So when you're done creating the group, use the number below and add us to the group. We will give you the date that we will come into your community. Find a place so we can also do the workshop there. The workshop is free. We are trying to educate each and everyone who wants to learn, so you can also get something doing. Thank you for watching. My name is Zebroon.